Hello there. Welcome to Money Chakra Secrets. Get ready to manifest abundance in all areas of your life, especially your finances. In this chapter, we'll give you a little overview on what are chakras and the impact it has on money in our lives. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is chakra? Chakras can be simply explained as the energy centers that exist within our bodies. It's an old Sanskrit word that means wheel, describing the spinning movements of vital life force energy, known as prana, at these points. They are responsible for regulating physiological processes like the immune response, organ functions, as well as the psychological processes like our emotions and behavior in our body. There are 7 major chakras. There is root chakra, sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra, heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye chakra, and crown chakra. Each chakra is different. They have specific qualities which corresponds to the refinement of energy from the base level, the first 6 chakras, up to the higher vibration spirit level, awareness, the 7th chakra. The lower chakras, root chakra, sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra, are associated with core emotions and needs. And the upper chakras, heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye chakra, and the crown chakra, correspond to our higher mental and spiritual aspirations. Also, each have a specific color associated with it, due to its energetic existence. The frequency of the vibrations it emits produces the different colors. The balanced flow of energy at these different energy points ensures that the body functions smoothly. However, a blockage or unbalanced flow of energy in any one of these energy points will cause health and/or emotional problems. This leads to the inability to lead an abundant life. The main purpose in discovering our chakras is to learn how to master each chakra's essence and unite them all in a balanced energy field. Only then can we reunite all our detached inner elements to a higher consciousness of self-awareness. But how is this related to money? Well, as mentioned earlier, each chakra represents a certain part of our bodies and consciousness or behavior. So a disruption in balance in any one of these chakras will have an impact on either our health or emotional and behavioral states, which will impact the state of abundance in our lives, which includes our finances. For example, an imbalance in a certain chakra would result in a person's low self-confidence, which is crucial when it comes to making decisions and pursuing opportunities, which will affect his money-making potential.